Alright, welcome back to the next lesson. So, the idea of sacadas can be kind of a confusing one. The concept of it is rather simple. You're taking a step in the opposite direction of your partner, or a different direction as your partner. And really, that's all it is. It's just a step. But because we have a certain number of steps, we create a certain number of opportunities. So, I have 6 steps as a leader, and 6 motion steps. There's also the step of not moving at all. But let's talk about only the motion steps, the steps where we are actually moving. So I have a forward step, a side step, and a back step with my left leg and also with my right leg. And Marina, as the follower, has the exact same 6 steps. That means that there are 36 combinations if we are both moving. There are more if one of us is not moving, of course. So when we're both moving, like in a sacada, then we have what we would think would be 36 combinations, but not exactly. The reason why we only have 24, or 24 from one person to the other and 24 the other way, is that some of them repeat themselves. So every step is classified as either a cross step or an open step. If Marina is my partner and I take a forward step in this direction, if I twist towards her, you can see that my legs are twisted, or kind of in a cross. This is the cross step. If I went with the other leg and I turned towards her, you can see that my legs are open. Like that. It's all in relation to your partner. Where your partner is, you're always twisting towards your partner, and that will tell you whether you're in an open step or a cross step. So, in these sacadas, we have open steps and cross steps for all these sacadas, all the possibilities. And because they are classified in only these 2 ways, some of them repeat themselves. This is going to sound a little confusing, but I'm going to walk you through it. If Marina takes a side step to her right, I have 6 steps that I can take to her 1 step. I have 3 with my left and 3 with my right. When we're talking about sacadas, they all need to go, if she went to her right, all the sacadas need to go to her left foot. So here's my left leg with her left foot. That's 1 sacada. Here's my right leg with her right foot. That's another sacada. The reason why this gets confusing now is that right foot an open step or a cross step? All forward steps are cross steps, and all side steps are open steps. So even though my body's moving forward, I'm actually in an open step. With my other leg, I'm moving forward, I'm in a cross step. My legs are crossed. So here's 1 sacada, and I can't take a side step with this. If I turn this way and go here, it's the same sacada. If I go here with my right foot and turn this way or this way, it's all the same sacada. So there's only 1 forward step and 1 side step. So for every one of her steps, you can relax, for every one of her steps, there are 2 steps, 2 sacadas that are forward intended. For now, we're only going to look at these. It's going to get more complicated if we add in the other possibilities. So for every step she has, which is 6, we have a forward sacada and a side sacada. No matter how we point the feet in the direction, whether we're pointing straight or we're making it look more like a side step, it's the same foot combination. So we're just counting those as 1 step each. So she has 6 steps, and I'm going to look at 2 sacadas per step in the next video for a total of 12 sacadas. So don't worry about this if it isn't making sense, because in the next video, in the next lesson, we're going to look at an exercise to help you learn all 12 sacadas. See you in the next lesson.